Hi friends and welcome to this podcast by Angel Broking. दोस्तों, if you call yourself a millennial, there are likely some interesting facts about your life that you share with the larger community despite your impeccable individuality and differences with others who are born around the same time as you. However, millennials ने इंडिया में सेविंग्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स पर एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव अपनाया है and have managed to change some long-held beliefs about money, debt, spending and financial planning. While this comes from a visibly different approach to life than their parents, some millennials have struggled to build resilience in their financial lives. कल मैं अपनी फ्रेंड साया से बात कर रहा था and she was talking about our mutual friend शिवी, जिसने साया के लैपटॉप पर कॉफी स्पिल कर दी. And this happened while they were co-working in a cafe. Sivi was broke and so was Saya. And while Shivi offered Saya to work on her laptop until she can pay back for her computer, Saya politely refused and had to ask for a loan from her parents. अब दोस्तों, accidents can do happen. Shivi and Saya are very tight friends and they both wondered as to why they didn't have the money to buy a new computer right away. And they realized that they are missing out on a crucial part of life, the resilience and the stability that is needed to withstand such accidents and shocks in life. Another friend of mine, जिसका नाम राज है, was talking about how he didn't have the money to travel to some beaches that he has been eyeing since college. राज 2 साल से employed है और मुंबई में रहते हुए earns 60,000 per month. Sounds like a decent sum of money. लेकिन सेविंग्स बनाना राज का स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड नहीं है. Raj likes to dine out and he actively spends on improving his digital life by buying apps and subscriptions for digital services. क्या आपने ऐसे कुछ इश्यूज अपनी लाइफ में फेस किए हैं? It's time for Investing 101. दोस्तों, इस प्रीमियर के साथ I promise that you will be able to fulfill your dreams that you might have been dreaming for a long time. So let's explore these 5 strategies which will help you big time with your finances. Number 1. Understanding the power of investing. दोस्तों, investing might look boring compared to other fun things like dining out for a great experience या फिर राज के digital purchases. लेकिन over time, the power of compounding does something magical to your savings. 20th century के एक फेमस फिजिसिस्ट ने कहा है कि ह्यूमन रेस का एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन को ना समझ पाना एक मेजर शॉर्टकमिंग है. एंड दिस होल्ड्स ट्रू इन मनी मैटर्स टू. बेसिकली अगर कोई भी चीज का एक अमाउंट छोटे परसेंटेज से पीरियोडिकली ग्रो होता है तो इट विल ग्रो एक्सपोनेंशियली ओवर टाइम. सेम होल्ड्स फॉर योर मनी. अगर आप स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ सेविंग्स को मंथली बेसिस पर इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो दिस मनी विल रिटर्न इनटू समथिंग जाइगैंटिक by the end of few years. Go check out an investment calculator to see for yourself. Number 2, there is a digital savvy way of investing too. अगर आप investing को paperwork और boring conversation से associate करते हो तो you need to know something. Today, investing is as easy as a tap on your smartphone. You can find systematic investment plans जिनमें आप अपने पैसे automatically invest कर सकते हो on regular basis without having to even think about it. Set and forget, just like your iTunes or Spotify subscription. Except that you will have more money with you at the end of a designated period than you had originally put into it. Number 3. Small things add up to something big. How much do you think before spending 1,000 rupees on a dine out or a couple of hundred rupees to buy a movie ticket? Number 3. Small things add up to something big. How much do you think before spending 1,000 rupees on a dine out or a couple of hundred rupees to buy a movie ticket, Netflix subscription or your favorite game on Play Store? I bet not a lot. But if you were to invest 1,000 rupees on monthly basis, you will see it grow into something massive by the end of 10-15 years. Don't underestimate the power of small regular savings. Number 4. Look beyond your bank account. वैसे तो सेविंग मनी इज द फर्स्ट प्री रिक्विजिट टू इन्वेस्टिंग. इट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट टू लुक बियॉन्ड योर बैंक अकाउंट फॉर द सेम. सेविंग्स को बैंक अकाउंट में रखना या फिर एफडीज में इन्वेस्ट करने से यू माइट बी एबल टू ओनली बीट द इन्फ्लेशन. साउंड्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. देन लेट्स सिंप्लीफाई. इन्फ्लेशन इज बेसिकली मनी के वैल्यू के डिप्रिसिएशन को बोलते हैं. रिमेंबर योर पेरेंट्स मेंशनिंग हाउ वेजीज यूज्ड टू कॉस्ट अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ रूपी इन देयर टाइम्स and how they cost many rupees now. This precisely is inflation at play, my friends. And if you keep your money in the form of cash, you are essentially losing money despite saving it every second. इसलिए look at some instruments that will help you do more than just beat the inflation. जैसे stocks, systematic investment plans, ELSS, etc. These instruments expose your money to fast growing avenues like equity markets, real estate and gold, and even cryptocurrency. Read up on the internet about them. Angel Broking provides you a library of financial content to make you a vigilant investor and also to see how your plans and finances can come on the same page. Number 5. Budgeting is the key. दोस्तों, you might have recently heard about the Indian government announcing the union budget, right? एक कंट्री को रन करने के लिए बजट इज quintessential, but the same goes for running your own personal finances. Without budget, even lakhs of rupees earned in a month can be spent without you being able to spot where your money went. इसके लिए download a budgeting app to your phone. And it's better if you can link your bank account to this app, so that you do not have to log every time you spend money. When you track your money, your spendings basically go through a filter which tells you what you spent on and what remains. This information will bring to your notice what you're spending the most on and where you would like to cut back. If you think कि आपके पास सेव करने के लिए पैसे नहीं है, तो budgeting will help you dispel this belief. तो दोस्तों, these are the few tips that will help you become resilient enough to withstand financial shocks that inevitably come in life, but also to really live your dreams. अच्छा, ड्रीम्स के सब्जेक्ट पर एक और बात. If you have been thinking of upgrading your computer to a gaming computer or saving up for a trip abroad but are unable to see how you will save so much money, then you really need to focus on one single step that will help you get there. And this single step is to just start without thinking about how you will make it happen. यहाँ पर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट कैलकुलेटर हेल्प करेगा. नाउ इमेजिन कि आपकी 1 month ट्रिप की अप्रोक्सीमेट कॉस्ट होगी 2 lakhs. Now go to an investment calculator, enter the amount you want to save and how much you can set aside for your goal every month. Or better yet, every week. इसके बाद कुछ solid investment instruments के return rates enter करके देखें. This will give you an idea of how long it will take for you to get to your desired amount. ये तो हुआ simple part. लेकिन इस ख्याली पुलाव को सर्व कैसे करना है? That is where your first step will come into play. Like I had said, just start with the first step, like starting a SIP of 1,000 rupees and keep repeating. इस तरह you will be able to reach your goal on autopilot without having to worry about anything at all. In fact, you will be headed to that trip within a few years and celebrating the end of lockdowns in style. Sounds like a plan, right? To me it does. Time to make it a reality by starting small but starting strong. Everyone can invest and so can you. Don't let anyone tell you any different. Angel Broking wishes you the best on this journey to achieving your dreams. Until we meet next time, goodbye from Angel Broking and happy investing.